All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This morning, I want to quickly talk about deployment of Power BI reporting to online so that those that need to have access to the report can do that. So first, we launch the Power BI desktop, and I believe you have credentials. If you don't have, you find a way to create your account on Power BI so that you can be able to log in to do the publication. Now, this is my login details. It's a temporary one I created for this demo. I am not going to be creating a new report. I will be using my existing one. I would have assumed, but I've assumed that you have okay, this is the email. I have already logged on before. It might request for password, otherwise it will go in straight. Okay, all right, you can see at the top here, I'm the one logging in. Then I have some couple of reports that I already worked on. Let me click on the I should be able to save as. Let me quickly save as so that I can use this existing report. Okay, it's my dashboard on the employees. SHRO dashboard. Let me click on save as and take it to data. This is my folder. Okay, let me put 83. Let me save this. Okay, that is done. I haven't done that. The next thing is now try to publish. If you look at the top here, you can see the publish button. I click this. Because I've been publishing, that's why you see other workspace here. Otherwise, this is the only one you will see. So this is the one created by Microsoft by default for you. You pick this for the first time and then try to publish. As you can see on the screen, it's done. You click this and you click this link so it will take you to online Power BI services where the redeployment is being done or publishing. Where you can equally now share. Okay, I'm logging on with the same Microsoft account. Okay, it's done. You can see the environment. This is my reporting. In case you want to edit, you can see the edit button. You can click on the edit to see what you can do. But that's not why we're here. You check my workspace. If you check my workspace here by the left-hand side at the menu, you can see this 33 is what we submitted just now, what we published. This HRO dashboard 833. So this is the reporting. This is the data set itself. If you click this, you will see the structure of the data set that we brought. These are the columns. So let's go back. This is the reporting proper. If you click this, it shows you the report. So it's not ideal to work in this environment. What we can quickly do is to create a workspace where you can grant access to those that will have access to the report. I can click here, click new workspace. I can call this HRO new workspace. I put this, just testing. I put description, domain, contain. I think all of them there, just take it by default. Let's apply. Apply. It's created. You can see this at the top, HRO new workspace. So what you need to do here is to quickly come to manage access. This is where you will grant access to anybody that you want to ensure that I have a view or access, write anything you want to give to this report. But this person must be within your domain as well. Otherwise, your admin should invite the email externally to your Active Directory environment. So if I use a typical my email, Yahoo mail, it won't see it because it's not part of this organization. So if any email that I use that is within the domain of the organization, it should be able to see it. But any email that you add here, you will be able to, let me say add user now, add user Agbonwin, Agbonwin at yahoo.com. It won't see it. This is my Gmail. But let me check on, okay, you can see now this staff is part of this domain. I can invite, I add him. So doing this, I've granted access to this person now. Whatever I publish inside this, the person will be able to see it. So what we do now, let's go back to our environment again, the Power BI environment, where we started from, so that we can publish to that new one. Okay, I'm going to close this. Let's do a fresh republish. We should be able to see. Okay, let me try to publish again. You can see the new workspace we just created just now from the service environment. If I click this and okay, that is done. I can click on this link again. Let it take me to the environment. I log on with my credentials, the email I set up for this purpose. You can see the report is here. And if you go to you can see we're already in the workspace. HRO, if you see this left-hand side, this is already in the workspace. So what we now need to do after this is to come to share. We click on share. You can see this is expected. If you have any email, like I said just now, if I have any email that I want to share this with, I can put it here, or I can copy the link. I can copy the link. I can copy it like this. If I have another browser, I would have been able to just check if I have credentials here. But this is another browser. Don't know whether I have the right credentials here. You can say I don't have, but let me try to use this same one to access it. This same email I created for this purpose, because I have not used it to log on to any site in this browser. Let me see if it will take me there. Okay, you can see it's bringing the Fabrics environment. So on a normal day, this is the way it should have been. But all these ribbon, whatever you are seeing, will not be there. It's only the reports the person would have been able to see. But unfortunately, I don't have a account for another user that can use to access it. But this is just the way to publish. Because people have asked me this question and I don't want to continue to answer individually. That's why I decided to do this small video. So thank you very much for your time. Next time, I'll try to come to this Power environment to do the fabrics. This fabric, Microsoft Fabric, this is where I will come next time to use the lake and to see how we can design pipelines through this environment. So thank you for your time, and we hope to meet next time. God bless.